Today we are going to be converting decimals to fractions for a quick fractions review. And in order to do this, we have to understand place value. So the numbers after the decimal also have place value. The first one is tenths, then hundredths, thousandths, and 10,000ths, 100,000ths, and so on. So let's say I have a 1, 0.1. That's one way to read it, 0.1. But we also have to see that 1 is in the tenths place, so we can also call this 1/10. 1/10. What if I have another 1 and it's 0.11? Another way to say this would be 11 hundredths, since the last digit is in the hundredth spot. 11 hundredths. What if I add another 1? It's now in the thousandths place, so it's 111 thousandths. And again, if I add another 1, it's in the 10,000ths place, so I will have 1,100 10,000ths. 10,000ths. I'm going to add the comma just so we can see exactly what this number reads. Okay, so in order to convert, you should really understand the place value when it comes to decimals. Now, sometimes we have a fraction that can end up being reduced. So I put 3 very common decimals, and we're going to go ahead and convert them. 1.25. So now I have a 1, I have a digit in front of the decimal. So all you're going to do is make that your whole number. This is actually going to turn into a mixed fraction. And then I have 0.25, tenths, hundredths, so this will be 25 hundredths. But this is a fraction that can be reduced or simplified. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If you need help simplifying, you can go back and watch my video on reducing, simplifying. It should be in the fractions playlist. So what can I divide these two numbers by? 25. 25 is the largest, so that's the number I'm choosing. And this is now going to become 1 and 1/4. So you'll see 0.25 is 1/4, which makes sense because 25 cents is 1/4 of a dollar, right? It's 1 out of 4 quarters. Now we have 2.50 or 2.5. So for this one, I have a 2 as my whole number, and then I have 50 over 100 because the 0 is in the hundredths column. What can I divide both 50 and 100 by to simplify this fraction? By 50. So this is going to become 2, so I'm just bringing this one on down, 1/2. So 0.5 or 0.50, 50 cents, is half, or half of a dollar. $3.75. So I'm going to bring my 3 as my whole number, then it'll be 75 over 100 because it's in the 10th hundredths place. 75 over 100. What can I divide 75 and 100 by to simplify? Mhm. 25. Bringing my 3 down, 3/4. 3 3/4. So 0.75 is 3/4. These are 3 decimal to fraction conversions or fraction to decimal conversions that you should definitely memorize. And the best way to memorize it is to think of it as money. 75 cents is 3/4. 50 cents is half of a dollar. 25 cents is 1/4 or 1/4 of a dollar. And that is that.